So today's Sunday and we're taking the kiddos to a fall festival today, but we're stopping at Starbucks because Ariana wants to get a vanilla bean frappuccino with her allowance money. So we're stopping here to get her a little coffee drink, and then we're gonna make our way to the festival to see all the fun things that they have for the kiddos to do today. We are here, and of course, any festival there's free events. It's gonna be crowded as can be.
Easy to find life insurance that's right.
So let's see if we can find a parking spot. They're just creating parkings here. Here's the festival. It's the fest of all. Enjoy a fun multicultural Christian fellowship. Alright, thinking she cool with her Starbucks. Let me see her Starbucks are. She's thinking she all fancy with her Starbucks. So we're in here gonna enjoy this time at the fall festival. Hopefully I can get some footage for you guys. Found McGruff. McGruff. He is at every festival. Burgers being grilled. Oh, that is so cute. Little unicorn. Get this one. Go ahead, Jordan and Bree. You gotta take off your shoes though. Give him a high five. McGruff. McGruff. Again. Jordan! Jump, jump, jump. Bree, Bree. So they end up on the playground at this festival because there's really not that much things to do, so they're just gonna play on the playground. So it really doesn't have a lot of stuff that I was expecting it should have, so good thing we just only bought like $20 worth of tickets, and it seems like everything that we've done is like 1 or 2 tickets. So we're just gonna let the kids play on the playground for a little bit, see what else they have, and I think we'll probably leave by then. And it's like really humid. No, it's not hot. It's fairly humid and muggy, and like I know this hair is about to frizz up in like a whole minute. It's just so muggy. Most of the time I do a bun, like you guys always see me in a bun. Most of the time I do a bun, but today I decided to wear my hair down, which is really bad to wear it down because it's so muggy out here. But yeah, wasn't what I expected, but hey, we got out the house and did something, so. I already decided to join the kiddos on the playground. She's still a big kid at heart. Ari! Ari! She's gonna try not to look over here. There's Bree Bree over there. Jordan taking off. Where's Ari? There's Bree Bree. Where did Ari go? She's trying to hide from the camera. There she is. Not trying to let me get her on the camera because she's too big to be playing with the kiddos. No eye contact. No eye contact at all. None at all. Found her.
Where's Waldo?
She finally made eye contact. Brianna's loving that little thing right there, because not most parks have them anymore. Jordan wants to go see this truck, the police truck. He wants to go check it out.
Hello, hello.
Hi. Here, give me your drink, Jordan. They're gonna go into this police truck. There they go. Climb in the little truck. I know. Oh, Ari went? Oh my goodness. Ari, it's your air conditioning. Oh, you just heard air conditioning. That's why you went in there?
Yeah.
You're not even going for the tour?
Disappointed.
I know. Let me get the truck. This is how it looks. This is what they're inside. They're inside the Killeen Police Tactical Response Unit. That's where they're inside.
Hold on.
Here you go. They're gonna get in. They're gonna get in. They're gonna go in the train, even though Jordan at first said it was for babies. They're about to go get on the train. And they're off. You got a horn? Oh man. Have fun. Look at her. What'd you say? They gave Brianna away. Okay. They gave Brianna a horn. They gave Brianna a horn? But does she know that there's a horn on there?
Oh, yeah. She just honked it like twice. She ain't that loud.
She's aware? Look at my beautiful teen. Well, she's not a teen yet. She's 12. She's not a teen yet. My beautiful girl. This is where the kids ended up back at the playground after walking around a second time. All they want to do is play in the playground. There's Bree. I don't know where Ari went. Oh, there goes Ari. They're playing tag or something. So me and Jamie just sitting here watching the kiddos play. So we bought $20 worth of tickets. So it was like $1 a ticket. And we didn't even use it. We still have how many tickets left, Jamie?
7.
About 7 tickets because they really didn't have much things for the kids to do, so we didn't use the tickets much. And then we didn't want to get any of the food that they had, so. And the kids ended up in the park, so I don't know. It was not, like I said, it wasn't all that cracked up to be. But if we have extra tickets, I'm just going to give it to a family with a bunch of kids and just pay it forward and bless somebody else because we're not going to use them. The kids already jumped once. They saw the unicorn pony and they went the goats. They saw the goats, and then they went on the little train thing, and I think the most fun they had was the train thing, and it's like a long line to go back in again. So I might ask them before we leave if they want to go back on that, but if not, I'll just, you know, pay it, you know, bless somebody, pay it forward and give the tickets to somebody else with a bunch of kids. But they're just having fun in the park right now, and while me and Jamie are under the shade because it is so humid today. And Brianna has arrested Ariana.
Stay! Stay! I'll guard it.
Brianna, show your badge. Brianna, show your badge. Come here, Brianna.
This is my weapon
Come here.
bag.
Brianna got a little badge from McGruff. Show your badge.
This is my weapon
Her little
bag.
badge from McGruff. And so now she thinks she's a cop. Right?
Don't mess with Sergeant Daniels.
Don't mess with Sergeant Daniels. And then Jordan also got it. Jordan got a badge too. Right, Jordan?
Yeah. Don't mess with
So
Sergeant
did
Whitfield.
y'all arrested Ari? Jordan?
Yes.
So where's the suspect? Where's she at?
Right there. I'm about to guard her.
She about to guard her? She's in jail?
We're about to guard her.
Ow, you stepped on my hand.
What did you get arrested for, Ari?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
I think I just got arrested for resisting arrest that I wasn't supposed to.
Tell us where you are.
I kind of like it because them being in the park, they kind of get forced to play and use their imagination. And I think a lot of kids nowadays don't do that. They don't use their imagination like we used to do back in the day. Oh, babe. Like back in the day, we had to be outside and, you know, go outside and play and think of games and, you know, actually create games. And kids get so caught up just being at home watching TV and playing on their games that they don't, what would you say, like imagine? Or not imagine, what is it called? Where they like come up with stuff, like make believe, like they don't get creative. I'm trying to think of the word. Yeah, use their imagination, I guess, you know, just come up with stuff. I remember me and my brother would be in the backyard every day on the weekends, and we would come up with a new game every weekend to play in our backyard. So sometimes you just got to take your kids out to the playground or take them outside and let them know we're not going to stay inside so that they can use their imagination and create games and get creative and stuff like that. So I like that they're all getting creative, even Ariana, who's 12 years old. If we were at home right now, she'd be on her phone or watching YouTube while Brianna would be bored. So now she's playing with her sister, and so I know Brianna's enjoying this time. So that's the plus about today. Right, babe? And he's just on his phone. He's using his imagination on the phone. So we are back from the fall festival, and we are, hey, I have a bigger bottle. Don't use the little glue bottles. Just use the big bottle. So, yeah. So we're back, and we're back at the house, and the kiddos are going to make slime outside because There was a booth that you can make your own slime, but I guess they ran out. But you know, they make their own slime all the time at the house, so that's what they're gonna do today, and make some snow cones. Because they also had snow cones there, but I was like, we had the snow cone mix and we have a snow cone maker. You guys, we can make it at home. So it wasn't a lot. Like I said, it wasn't what I thought it would be. It wasn't as fun as I thought it would be, but it was something for the kids to do, and they got to play in the playground. So they're gonna do their little slime and snow cones. I'm about to hang out with the hubby while I eat something because I haven't eaten nothing all morning. And then I'm gonna go to my craft room to finish up some crafts for you and some DIYs for you guys. And then I don't know if I'm gonna film it today. I'm gonna try to film it today, or maybe tomorrow I'm gonna film with you guys a clean and decorate with me for fall, and so that you guys can see that. I know a lot of people have already posted theirs at the beginning of October, but I like decorating for fall because you can carry it on the way to November, because I don't decorate for Christmas until after Thanksgiving. So my decorations are gonna last a long time. So I have some up, but I didn't want to do the video for you guys until I was done with all my DIYs, so that you guys can see the DIYs first, and then I can incorporate them in the decorate with me. So yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that tonight because I still have some DIYs to finish up, but I'm definitely gonna do the video by tomorrow so I can have it for you guys by Wednesday. So yeah. Those out here making slime because I don't want slime in my house anymore. So they're making slime. So what are you using, Ari, for your slime recipe?
Just Tide and glue.
Tide and what?
Glue.
Tide and glue. So
Breathe.
it's a little bit. So Ariana will be doing, she'll be starting her own channel soon, and so will Bree. And Ari, are you gonna do this on your channel?
Ruby, you put too much.
Are you gonna do this like a tutorial on your channel?
I'm gonna be doing vlogs, so I won't be doing any tutorials really.
Okay, so Bree, well then we'll have either you could do it on my channel, or then we could do it on Bree's channel. But she'll do it so she can show you guys. Ariana said that out of all the slime recipes we made, this one's the best one, right, Ari?
Yeah.
This one and the one that uses borax, even though people don't like borax, is the best ones, right?
Yeah, borax, as long as you don't get it directly on your hands, and as long as you clean your hands afterwards, then it should be good.
All right. So they're out here making slime in the backyard, and they'll probably go jump on the trampoline later. You never know. And cool off. Let me know when it's done so I can come see it. Brianna poured too much Tide.
That'll be mine too.
Brianna, how dare you pour too much Tide?
You want that to be mine? Yes.
Bree, how dare you do that?
I want that.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.